Good morning. So today I'll be doing something different. I'll be cooking for 16 of my friends. And these are all men. So they don't want any rice or any little finger foods or stuff like that. They want some good old Jamaican curry chicken and some cartwheel dumpling, green banana and yam. These are all construction men, so they work hard in the sun. So they want some good old strong food to hold them for the whole day. So stay tuned. So this is my chicken. It's all washed and clean with vinegar and lime juice. And my curry powder, my spices, seasoning, curry again, yam, banana, flour. And you know we have to chop up the chicken really small because we want all that flavor from the spices and herb to marinate properly and soak into the chicken. So the man them don't complain, so them get food when it tastes good. So now I'm gonna start. So be using all-purpose seasoning. And I'll be adding my onion, all my chopped spices. Some ginger. I'm gonna go ahead and add my curry powder. I'm gonna go ahead now and mix it. Now if you want to use your hands, you can go ahead, but I just don't want the curry to go on my nails and stain it because it's very hard to get out. So we're gonna rub it so the curry is everywhere. A little more black pepper. A little bit more salt. So I'm going to cover it for 1 hour so it can be nicely marinated. So I will come back soon. So now I'm ready to start kneading my flour to make my dumpling. And remember, it's construction workers, so they don't want no small baby dumpling. They want it very big. That is why we call it cartwheel dumpling, because it's a very big dumpling. So I'm adding some cornmeal. We normally add cornmeal to it, but if you don't want cornmeal in it, you don't have to put it. So I'll probably make about 34 dumplings so they can get 3 each. So I'm combining the flour with the cornmeal and a little bit of salt, and I'm going to put a well in the middle of the container to add water, and this is just room temperature water. If you're doing fried dumpling, you might need cold water, ice cold milk, which makes the dumpling come out nicer. So what I'm actually doing is just adding enough water to form a dough. You don't want it too soft, so you just add the water a little bit at a time. So right now I'm just using my judgment. And then if it gets too soft, you can add a little bit more flour. So now I'm going to start using my hands. So when you're doing this, make sure your hands are clean and dry. So now that my flour is ready, and I said I'm making for 15 to 16 friends, construction guys, so I have a whole lot of dumplings to make. So this is how I do it. You roll it in the palm of your hand like this, or you can do it this way. And then you flatten it. So this is a nice size. Not too big and not very small. And I already put my water to boil because we need to boil it because it's boiled dumpling. So this is my flour all knead, my dumpling, and it's ready to go in the pot. So my water is already boiling. So now we're going to take this to the stove. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my dumplings. Oh. Sometimes when you take them up, they tend to be a little bit soft and stick together. So this is enough for about 15 men. So dumpling normally takes about half an hour to boil. So we just come back and check on it from time to time. So now I'm gonna go start doing my yams and my bananas. So let's go. So now we're gonna start peeling. It's very big, so I have to cut it in small pieces. That's how I do it. Some people, they just do it in the same size, but it's easier for me to do it this way. So yams are a vegetable that's very popular in Jamaica and in the Caribbean. It's grown all year round. But if you go to your supermarket in the US, anywhere there's a Caribbean store, you can get yellow yam. If you don't get the yellow yam, the white yam is just as good. I'm gonna start adding it to my pots with my dumpling. And we're gonna stir it again. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start peeling my green banana. And so I cut the top, cut the bottom off, and I pare it down the side, just like this. And just so now I'm ready to start cooking my curry chicken. I already put a tablespoon of oil in each pot because I think I'm going to use 2 pots because I'm a little bit late and I want to be very, very fast. So I'm just going to add some curry just to the oil, just to cook it a little bit, just to give it a little more color. And I'll be back to check on it to make sure it's done. So see you guys pretty soon. So chicken is winding down, it's almost ready. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put everything in one pot. I'm gonna go ahead and add my potato, which I already diced. Gonna go ahead and I'm gonna allow it to cook for another 20 minutes just to get a nice thicker gravy and get my potatoes cooked. So I've added my green pepper and onion to my curry chicken. Look at it. It's looking so good. Has a nice, beautiful color. And my banana and dumpling is ready. And my yams too. So I'll give this a few more minutes just to finish up. And now I'm going to go and make the plates ready, the boxes, the lunch boxes ready, and I'll see you soon. So my curry chicken is all ready. And my boiled food is also ready. And these are my boxes. So I'll start sharing my food now. I'll just share just two just to show you how I share it. So these boxes are really tiny, so I can't fit a lot of food in it, but I'll try to put at least 3 dumplings. I'll try to fit a banana and 3 dumplings. And a piece of yam, and then I'm gonna add some chicken to it. And some gravy. This is how it's looking. So guys, this is my finished product. My lunch is all boxed up and ready to go. So from my kitchen to your kitchen, thanks for watching and see you soon. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe on another episode of Gerald's Kitchen. Bye guys.